Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Rubilin Balaan Domingo, single, 30 years old. I have a son with 1 year old and 6 months. I have one brother and one sister. I am the eldest of the family, living at Barangay Maligaya, Kawayan City, Sabela. I am college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience as housemaid, serving couple and 3 children, ages 11 years old, 9 years old, and 4 years old. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and my priority is taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the baby's temperature, and if they are sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to provide all my family needs, especially my children.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your child?
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and wake up around 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calm, sir, when
Okay.
dealing with them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your
Yes,
employer?
sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let ban in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Please accept me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.